Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki KLX300 Supermoto. This demo bike just arrived from Kawasaki with only 5,700 miles. Beautiful condition, fuel injected, single cylinder, upside down forks, electric start. This one's reduced from $59.99 down to just $52.99 plus freight prep tax and license. Full factory 1-year warranty. Come on by and make your Supermoto dreams come true with this awesome KLX300. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.